Welcome to Forex Live this Forex Live Trading channel. And in this session, we are going to be analyzing some pairs for the Forex Sunday analysis, so we can have ourselves a very good week coming and ahead. So yeah, one thing you guys should expect from this channel is daily Forex analysis. So what I mean is that literally every single trading day close, I'll analyze these same currencies in my watch list and give it to you guys, so that you guys could all make money each and every single day. So if you're not subscribed to this channel, you should do that so that you don't miss out, and also click the notification bell as to get notified on every time I drop a very important trading analysis and what we are going to be expecting from the market. Okay, so without talking much, let's just dive into the analysis. Okay, as you can see, we're in the 4-hour time frame. So what we'll do is to go to the daily time frame, so we know what we are looking for in a pair. Okay, what do we see here? We see a nice good little uptrend. So all I will advise anyone to do is to just mark it up. And this resistance here, which is seem like we've broken, but I'm not sure we have. Okay, so let's go to the 4-hour time frame so that we could dissect each and every single part of this trade. And yes, we have a support right here. Okay, so let me explain in terms of this. Okay, first off, we could see that from the daily perspective, we found out that price was in an uptrend, and this is just like price is in an uptrend. And what do we see? We see this brick wall. So this brick wall is just like something guiding us as to where the market is going, so that we don't start thinking of sells, but at this moment we should be thinking of buys. But price have not yet broken out, because if you know what this is, if you know this candlestick pattern, you know that that's not a good sign for entry for buy. So we need to still wait for further confirmation. So in order to make money for this week, we can just scale this down to any of these lows, because this is what we call stop hunt. The market does this, the banks does this to hit people's stop loss, because they can just get sellers triggered in this area and ride it up and hit their stop loss and go back down. So that's about it. Let's go to the 1-hour time frame to be sure of this analysis. But price could, what this candle is, price could still fly up. So I'm not saying that we should be on sales only. Yeah, we should sorry, I'm not saying that yes, we are going to, it's a short sale. No, price could still, we're in a resistance zone. Price break a resistance zone and retest. So when price breaks a resistance zone and retest, what do you expect? A continuation, right? So what we'll do is to see signs of confirmation of price rejecting this area. So if we see price rejecting this area, we can now scale up. That is, we'll see weak rejections and other little confirmations that we use to add to our confluence as to taking the trade for a buy at this moment in time. But as for this moment in time, price could be making this as a stop point. So let's not get ourselves confused. So let's go to the 1-hour time frame. And it's so clear that price is making higher high, higher low, break of the structure low, retesting the structure low. So as to this, I'm seeing a continuation of a nice downtrend. So if price breaks this high, if price breaks this high over here, I'm so sorry that we need to go out from selling this market in the 1 hour time frame. So if price breaks this high, sure, we will start looking for buying opportunities, no more selling opportunities. So I hope you guys are good with that analysis. So let me continue further. That's GBPAUD. Okay, so in GBPAUD, what can we see? Let's go to the daily time frame. Let's go to the daily time frame so as to not get ourselves confused. Okay, so what we see here, we're seeing a very nice downtrend. Okay, what are the characteristics of a downtrend? Price makes a high, it breaks the low. When it breaks the low, what does it do? It retests the low, and it continues downward. So as of GBPAUD, what we'll expect is a sell. So we don't need to look for any other thing other than sales. So that's about that. We have gotten the direction of the market. So as to getting the direction of the market, let's look for our entries and exit, or what we need to know while trading GBPAUD. Okay, so you can see this brick wall. I love adding this brick wall, seriously, because it kind of gives a protection, like to know whenever the trend is changing. So if you don't have a brick wall in your analysis, although everybody has their own strategy and I respect it, so it's just to do what works for you. So that's it. Okay, let's go to the 4-inch time frame. You can see how price reacted to these zones here. This zone, this zone here, as well as this zone here. Permit me. As well as, but you guys could see it, like you can see how price reacted here, and so on and so forth. So what are we seeing here? We're in a resistance zone. Clearly we're in a resistance zone. Which resistance zone? This resistance zone over here. So what do we expect? We expect a break of this structure, but if price doesn't break this structure, we can come into a test, maybe this level, or if price breaks this level, we can scale up to this brick wall here. So that's just about it. So but if price breaks this support, if price breaks this support, we can still continue, break it and retest it, and we continue the trend. But if price shows series of, we can see here multiple weak rejections, price coming here, coming down back again. So if we break it, you can just set your sell stop orders here, stop loss above this level, and set your 1 to 3 targets. Or if you see price, you can just set your buy stops. If price tends to reject in this area, you can write it up to this area. So yeah, that's about the analysis of GBPAUD. So if you guys understand, I know you guys, if you guys just understand this, and just leave it there. Okay, so let's go to another pair. Let's go to let's go to GBPUSD.